Welcome to this complete Bern, Switzerland travel guide. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Bern is a city brimming with charm, rich history, and a unique culture. As the capital of Switzerland, it's a city that effortlessly combines the old with the new, boasting a blend of medieval architecture and modern facilities. From its iconic clock tower to its picturesque old town, Bern is a city that promises to captivate your senses. Join me as I take you on a journey to explore the top 10 things to do in this beautiful city. First on our list is the Zytglogge, a landmark medieval clock tower. This iconic symbol of Bern stands as a testament to the city's rich history. Built in the early 13th century, the tower has served many purposes. A guard tower, a prison, a clock tower, and even a civic memorial. The Zytglogge is renowned for its astronomical clock, a marvel of medieval engineering. This clock doesn't just tell the time, it's a celestial theatre showcasing the movement of the planets around the sun, the phase of the moon, and even the day of the week. Quite a feat, wouldn't you agree? Visiting the Zytglogge is like stepping back in time. You can explore the clock tower's inner workings, marvel at the astronomical clock, and even enjoy an incredible view of the city from the top. It's a journey into the past, offering a unique perspective on the city's history and the ingenuity of our ancestors. The Zytglogge offers a peek into history and the ingenuity of the past. Next, we have the Federal Palace of Switzerland, where political decisions are made. This grand structure isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's also the heartbeat of Swiss politics. The Federal Palace, or Bundeshaus, is an architectural marvel, showcasing a harmonious blend of neo-Renaissance and classical styles. Do you see those majestic facades and domed roof? They house the chambers of the Federal Assembly and the Federal Council, where decisions shaping the future of Switzerland are taken. Imagine the buzz of intellectual debates and the spirit of democracy echoing through these halls. Now, if you're as fascinated by this place as I am, you'll be thrilled to know that guided tours are offered. You can walk the corridors of power, learn about Switzerland's political system, and maybe, just maybe, get a glimpse of the politicians at work. The Federal Palace gives you a taste of Swiss politics and grand architecture. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of Swiss pride and democratic values. Moving on to something a bit more wild, we have the Bear Park. Nestled on the eastern edge of Bern's Old Town, this fascinating park has a storied history that dates back to the early 15th century. The park was originally a pit for bear baiting, a popular pastime of the era. Today, however, it's a sanctuary for Bern's symbolic creatures, the bears. The park is home to a family of bears who roam freely within their vast enclosure. The residents, Finn, Björk and their daughter Ursina, are the city's furry celebrities and can often be seen playfully interacting with each other. While the bears themselves are a sight to behold, the park also offers spectacular views of Bern's Old Town. From the park's elevated walkways, you can gaze upon the medieval architecture, the meandering Aare River and the distant Swiss Alps. The Bear Park is a fun and unique experience that combines wildlife and history. For the history buffs, Bern Historical Museum is a must-visit. This magnificent institution is the second largest historical museum in Switzerland, offering a rich tapestry of the country's past. The museum is home to a collection of over 500,000 exhibits, spanning from prehistoric times to the present day. These artifacts, each telling their unique stories, offer a glimpse into the diverse cultures that have shaped Switzerland's identity. Within the museum, you'll find the Einstein Museum, a tribute to the life and work of the famed physicist who once called Bern home. Here, you can delve into the complex theories that changed our understanding of the universe, all presented in an accessible and engaging manner. From ancient ceramics to Einstein's theories of relativity, the Bern Historical Museum offers a fascinating journey through time. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply curious, it's an experience that will enrich your understanding of Switzerland. The Bern Historical Museum is a treasure trove of culture and history. Next, we'll take a breather at the beautiful Rosengarten. As the name suggests, this garden is a paradise for rose lovers, boasting 200 varieties of roses. From the classic reds to delicate pinks and whites, it's a veritable rainbow of blooms. But it's not just about the roses. The garden offers a stunning panoramic view of Bern's Old Town, the perfect backdrop for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. The Rosengarten isn't just a feast for the eyes, though. It's also a haven of tranquility in the heart of the city. Here, the hustle and bustle of Bern seem a world away. The only sounds you'll hear are the soft rustling of leaves and the occasional trill of a bird. Indeed, the Rosengarten is more than just a garden. It's an oasis of calm in a busy world. The Rosengarten is a perfect spot for relaxation and enjoying nature's beauty. Now let's head to the tallest cathedral in Switzerland, the Bern Cathedral. A grand display of Gothic architecture, the Bern Cathedral or Berner Münster is an awe-inspiring spectacle. Built over a span of nearly 4 centuries, from the 15th to the 19th, this cathedral is a testament to the enduring spirit of the Swiss people. The cathedral's intricate facade, adorned with a representation of the Last Judgment, captivates the onlooker with its detailed craftsmanship. Inside, the cathedral is equally impressive, with its soaring ceiling, stained glass windows and the grand organ, which has been creating a harmonious melody since the early 18th century. But the cathedral's crowning glory is its tower. Climb the 344 steps and you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of the city of Bern, the distant Alps and the Aare River. A sight that's worth every step. The Bern Cathedral is not only a place of worship, but also a testament to the city's architectural prowess. Next, step into the world of a genius at the Einstein House. Nestled in the heart of Bern, this humble abode was once the residence of Albert Einstein, the renowned physicist. It was here between the years of 1905 to 1909 that Einstein developed his groundbreaking theory of relativity. Today, the apartment is a museum, preserving the aura of the time Einstein spent here. As you explore the exhibits, you'll find a wealth of information about Einstein's life in Bern. Personal letters, original documents, and a plethora of photographs paint a vivid picture of the physicist's life and work during his time in this Swiss city. The house's significance extends beyond its historical context. It's a testament to Einstein's influence on the world. His time in Bern was a period of immense creativity and intellectual growth, which is beautifully captured in the Einstein House. The Einstein House offers a glimpse into the life of one of the greatest minds in history. For the adventurers, Gurten Mountain is a must-visit. This majestic peak, a stone's throw from the heart of Bern, offers a plethora of activities for thrill-seekers and nature lovers alike. From hiking and mountain biking to picnicking amid the lush greenery, there's something for everyone. But the true showstopper here is the panoramic view of Bern and the distant Alps, a sight that's worth every step of the climb. Can't face the uphill battle? Fear not. The Gurtenbahn funicular is ready to whisk you to the summit in comfort and style. This historic railway is more than just a mode of transport. It's part of the Gurten experience. As you ascend, the cityscape gradually unfolds beneath you, a tableau of red rooftops and spires against the emerald countryside. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-fueled fun or simply a peaceful retreat, Gurten Mountain offers a mix of adventure and breathtaking views. Next on our list is the Museum of Communication. A realm where the past, present and future of communication converge. This is not your typical museum. Here, interactive exhibits breathe life into the static history of communication. You'll find yourself journeying through the evolution of communication, from the ancient smoke signals to the modern world of social media. The museum offers a unique experience that blends technology with history. You'll get the chance to learn about the telegraph, the telephone, the radio, and even the internet, all in a playful and interactive way. It's like stepping into a time machine and witnessing the transformation of communication firsthand. You might even find yourself sending Morse code or exploring how social media algorithms work. It's an adventure that tickles the intellect and stirs the imagination. This museum is more than just a collection of artifacts. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of connection. The Museum of Communication offers an engaging and fun learning experience. Last but not least, we have the Aare River and Old Town. The heart of Bern, the Old Town, is a treasure trove of medieval architecture, with a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets that echo stories of a time long past. Here, you'll find a mix of Gothic cathedrals, Renaissance fountains and charming townhouses, all meticulously preserved. Now, let's talk about the Aare River. This winding waterway is more than just a pretty sight, it's a hub of activity. From leisurely strolls along the riverbank to invigorating swims in the emerald waters, the Aare River is truly the lifeblood of Bern. In the summer, you'll see locals floating down the river, a pastime known as Aareschwum, a tradition as Swiss as fondue and yodeling. And let's not forget the atmosphere. The Old Town buzzes with a vibrant energy, where the old-world charm seamlessly blends with the modern city life. The Aare River and Old Town offer a blend of history, architecture and fun. Well, there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Bern, Switzerland. From the timeless appeal of Zytglogge to the grandeur of the Federal Palace, the natural beauty of Bear Park and the Rosengarten, the rich history encapsulated within the Bern Historical Museum, the awe-inspiring Bern Cathedral and Einstein House, the breathtaking views from Gurten Mountain, the intriguing Museum of Communication, to the picturesque Aare River and Old Town. Remember, these are just a few highlights. Bern has so much more to offer. So when are you planning your visit to this charming city?